you understand how to protect your file and folder, it means you already understand little part of cybersecurity, because these two things I'm about to talk, they are the bedrock of security in cyberfame. Now, what is file and what is folder? I'm going to use a library analogy so that you understand very well. Now, let's say you want to read a book. You can't go to library. As you get to the library, the first person you meet is what? Is the librarian. Now, when you meet the librarian will now direct you to what? To the bookshelf. Now, by the time you get to the bookshelf, you are going to take what? You are going to take just one book. That one book that you take that you want to read is file. That's what we call a file. Now, that place where you take the book, where all those books are arranged, where you take just one, that place, that bookshelf is what we call a folder. Then, who arranged those books inside the folder? It is the what? The librarian. So the librarian now is the what? Is the file system. So that is what we want to talk about. So file is just that one photo or that one video that you have on your phone. So a file is just that thing that contains one data on your phone or on your system. Now, when you start arranging those photos or those videos and you now give them a name, maybe my Facebook photo or my TikTok videos, all those things, they are called folders. Now, where those files and folders, where they operate, what manage them, what control them, is what we call file system. Now, every computer have their own file system. Windows have its own file system, which is called FAT32. Linux have its own file system, which is called EST4. While Mac OS have its own file system, which is called APFS. So all those operating systems have their own file system management. Now look at my screen. What is on my screen is what we call file paths. This one is telling you the file paths. If you don't know these file paths, you are a baby in cybersecurity, because you always play along with these things. You should be familiar with this thing that is on my screen. The first one there is C. That C signifies that is the drive of your operating system. That is what we drive on your operating system. It can be HDD or SSD. So that is the C. Now you see that slash user slash Lakewest slash document. That one is what we call folder. That one is what we call folder. So it is inside this folder that we now have that security.pdf. That security.pdf you are seeing, it is inside the folder that we have it. So you can see, so this is a file path. Anytime you see something like this, you should be able to work to read it. Now, what are the things that we can see in a file? What are the things we can say about file? Number one thing we can say about file is that file always contain data. And their data can vary. Their data can be in form of pictures, it can be in form of video, it can be in form of documents or text or anything. That is number one. Number two thing there is that every file has what we call metadata. Now, metadata, they are the hidden properties of every file. When you take a picture, maybe in your house or anywhere, that picture has what we call metadata. With that picture, cybersecurity expert can use it to track you. In fact, hackers, script kiddies, they can use it to work, to track your location using SIF2. They will know where you take that picture. They will know the time you take that picture. They will know the location and everything about you with that just picture. So that is metadata. So metadata, they are the hidden files. They are the hidden properties that are what? That are embedded in what? In a file. Another thing that file has, all file have extension. So a file can have .txt, that is text, contain only text, waiting words. If a file have .pdf, it means it contains a document that you cannot edit. If it contains .png, that is photo, or .jpeg, that is photo. All those photo that you snap, that is it. And if it contains .mp3 at the back, just know that that is a song, that is Bedu that you listen to, the music that you listen to, that is it. And if it ends with mp4, that is what? That is video that you watch. All those Korean movie or all those movie that you watch, that is it. So those are the 4 things we can notice or we need to know about what? About every file.
Okay guys, so now let's look into file and folder. So as you can see on my screen now, so this one is a folder. You can see inside the folder now we have different files. You can see that it is showing something. This one too is a file. You can see this one too is a file. So if I open this one now, I double click and open, you see, so inside that folder now I have another folder. So this is a folder. So inside this folder now I can double click and open it. So inside this folder now I have different file. So this is a file, it's also a file, it's also a file. See it now. So this file now, this one contains Python code for auditing. So also we have another folder here. So this is a folder. You see it now. So inside this folder now we have different file. So this is a file. See it? So all this one now they are called file system, all of them together. So inside there now we have different, you see. So this is another folder. Anytime you see something like this is the folder. Anytime you see something plain like this is a file. So that is just it. So a file can be in form of picture. If you have one picture is a file. But when you have many pictures in one place and you name it, so that is what? That is a folder. So if you check this place as well, you can see this is a folder. This is a folder. This is a folder. This one too is a folder that contains videos. Why this is a folder that contains what? Pictures. So it contains pictures and different things. So that's just it. So all this one now they are what? They are file. You see, they are file.